Did you ever have this kind of notebook in your school days? I remember how I was chastised by my teacher for having such kind of dog-earned pages. Yes, when the pages of your books or notebooks are folded undesirably, look shabby and time-worn, they are defined as dog-earned, and such kind of pages are called dog-earned pages. Hello friends and welcome to my channel English with Mr. B. In this video today I'm going to take you to a quick vocabulary tour related to papers and books. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, please hit the subscribe button to find all my upcoming videos on your fingertips. So let's get started. A book like this to take down notes is called a notebook or an exercise book. The first page of the notebook is called the index page. This kind of paper is called a ruled paper, and the vertical and horizontal lines on it are called margins. This is called a plain paper or unruled paper. This kind of paper is called manuscript paper. These papers are used by the musicians to write down musical notes. In the US, these papers are also called staff paper or music paper. The individual paper in a notebook is called page, and a loose paper like this is called sheet. This is called diary or journal. Many people think that diary and journal is same. However, they are different in certain ways. A diary is a book that is used to record events as they happen or to plan for future events. For example, you might use it to note down important dates throughout the year to keep yourself organized. Or you might use it to note down your thoughts on a daily basis. On the other hand, journals are used for creative purposes and are ideal for jotting down notes on travel, ideas, thoughts, dreams, goals, and so on. In simple words, diary is a daily account of what happens and the things you do. A journal is where you record your thoughts and feelings. If your diary or journal has a circular coil like this, it is called binder. If the pages of your notebook turn vertically upward, it is called notepad. This is called daybook. A daybook is a book of an account in which day's transactions are written before they are transferred to a ledger. And a ledger is a book of a collection of accounts in which account of transactions are recorded for future references. This is a book, this is the head, and this is the tail of the book. This part of the book is called the spine, and when the spine is torn, it is called torn spine. The opposite part of the book is called the edge. So this is the spine and this is the edge of the book. This edge is also called foredge. The first page of the book is called flyleaf, and this particular portion that allows you to open and close is called the hinge of the book. If your book has a round coil like this, then this is called a spiral bound or coil bound book. So friends, how did you find my video? You can write your thoughts down in the comment section. I will appreciate your questions and suggestions. What kind of videos do you want me to come up with? You can mention in the comment section. See you next time with another video. Learning is very simple and easy with Mr. B. Stay tuned.